Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're gonna walk through how to apply a Brazil visitor visa e-visa, okay? Or you can say online tourist visa, whatever you want. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, lot of countries are slowly, or you can say even at a very faster speed going towards electronic visas because they're very easy to apply and it's convenient for the applicants and for everyone. Okay. So guys, in front of you, I've opened a Brazil government website where they have set electronic visas or e-visas for US, Canadian and Australian citizens. So as of now, it is available for nationals of these countries only, but yes, it could be extended to other countries too. Okay. And it has to be applied here. And this is gonna be in place from April 10. Okay, fine. So, requirements, passport, visa application form, passport style photo, e-visa fee payment, which is 80.9 US dollars. For minors, there are some other requirements, but yeah, if that apply. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this VFS e-visa site. Okay, now here, you can click on apply e-visa now. Okay. So you can put your email address, phone number, and nationalities. See, as of now, it is extended to only these three countries, and then an OTP will be sent. Once you put the OTP, then you can go to the next stage. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show guys. Okay, guys. So after you apply the OTP, you come here where you can click on Start Application. Oh, I'm sorry. So these are the tabs that you do eligibility criteria, document details, passport, travel, address, additional, review and payment. Of course, I'm not going to make the payment. Passport number, do it as per your own case. Okay, I'm just putting sample. Nationality, visa type, visitor. Wow, purpose of travel, applying for self, date of birth. Do it as per your own case. Okay, don't go by what I am doing. Second, below 18, no. How are you entering? Air. Brazilian passport, no. So now you have to upload passport bio page, photograph, public deed, sponsorship affidavit, travel document, proof of employment, vaccination card, additional documents. Okay, I'm gonna bypass this page and then I'm gonna see you guys. But here, only these two, passport, biodata, and photograph, these are mandatory. And but yes, if you have vaccination card, proof of employment, travel document, why not provide that? Okay, so I'm gonna go through this page, then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, after that, it what it did, like the passport details tab, it was showing your passport and some details you need to provide. Okay. And then when you click on 700 details like your issue date, expiry date, place of birth, country of issue, passport number, basic details. Now it has gone for travel details or estimated arrival date, planned period of stay in days, months. I'll just say 10. Okay. Final scheduled day of stay. Have you been able to plan? No. Additional details of travel, address details, permanent details. I'm going to put some sample, but you do as per your own case. Okay. Personal means of contact, email. I'm putting sample, you do as per your case and put the correct value. Is this the address for correspondence? Do you have any contact in Brazil? I select no, but you, if you have, definitely provide that. Additional details. Do you have any information for legal representative? I select no. Name of employer, your employer's college, address, city, province, other nationality, phone number, details, monthly salary. So, if you want to add more applicants, you can click on add applicant. Like if you're going as a family, let's say husband and wife, or friends, group of friends, you can do like that. Otherwise, you can click on save and continue, and then it will ask you to review and make the payment. Of course, I'm not going to go into that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.